Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today I'm gonna do a bit of a different kind of video, so welcome to Cooking with Corey. Yay. So, first off, I have my PlayStation 2, but I gutted it, so here it is now. So, let's see if I can actually cook an egg with this thing. So, let me turn it on first. Need to get it warmed up. So I actually set up a couple different ways I was going to actually try to accomplish this. First way I tried was I have this copper core from an old cooler. I pretty much cut in half. And then I just took one of these and then took a little egg size skillet and set it like that. Then I was going to try to cook an egg like that, but it would not get warm enough right here, so I kind of went away from that idea. So instead, I'm just going to cook it right on the CPU. So, egg. Oh. Okay, I'm going to take this little syringe thingy and just suck some of that up. Now I'm going to put some butter on here. Let the butter warm up real quick. Okay, I think it's warm enough now. You can kind of see it bubbling a little bit, so I'm gonna put the egg on here and we will see. Wow, that's changing colors pretty quick actually. Put a little more in there. Now we wait. I should have played a game while doing this. That probably would have been funnier, but oops. Okay, so this has been sitting here for what? 4 minutes now? Let's see. Give it a little pokey. Kinda goopy. I will not eat this. Oh well, it's still pretty neat to see something this old be able to cook an egg, so I wanted to use my, well, not my PC, I have a bunch of parts downstairs, and cook it that way, using a CPU instead, but I didn't have an extra power supply, so, oh well, what are you gonna do? So, I don't know, this is kind of a pointless video, but it gave me something to do for the day, so, I don't know, that's it. Thanks, bye.